Every maintenance run is recorded automatically.
In this video, we will open the maintenance log, find the run we want, view the full details, and download a database backup if we need one. We will also see how to generate a clean report you can forward to your client. Let's begin. From the dashboard toolbar at the top, click the Log History button. A window opens with every maintenance run recorded across all sites, sorted by newest first. Each row shows the date and time, the site name, the result status, and a short summary in the detail and note columns. As your log grows, the filters at the top help you narrow down quickly. The search box filters by site name or URL, useful when you manage many sites. The status dropdown lets you show only success, warning, attention noted, or error runs. The period dropdown filters to the last 7, 30, or 90 days. For example, to see every attention noted run from the past week, choose Attention in the status dropdown and Last 7 days in the period dropdown. The table updates instantly. Click any row to open the run detail. At the top, you'll see the result status, in this case, success, along with the final HTTP status. Just below, the Update Details line summarizes what was processed: DB backup, core update, plugins, themes, and languages. Further down, you'll find the DB backup file from this run and the screenshots the agent captured during the run, both with a download link on the right. At the bottom, the full execution log shows every step, line by line, the same log you watched while the maintenance was running. This is the record you refer back to when investigating an issue or confirming what was updated. A copy to clipboard link is right there if you need to grab the log for a support email. The Database Backups section lists every backup file the agent has saved for this site. Each entry shows the file name, for example, backup, followed by the date and timestamp .sql, the file size, and the date it was created. Click the download link on the right to save the SQL file to your computer. By default, the most recent 3 generations are kept, both on your computer and on the server. Older backups are pruned automatically, so the disk never fills up over time. If you ever need a backup older than 3 runs ago, take it manually before the next maintenance run starts. Now let's generate a polished client-facing report. You can do this 2 ways. For a single run, click the Report Preview button at the top right of the Run Detail panel. It opens the report for that one run directly. Or, in the main log history view, tick the runs you want to include, one, several, or every run from a given week, and click Check to Generate Report at the top right. A white label report opens with a clean summary of what was checked and what was updated. You can preview, edit the text in line, and download the result as PDF or HTML to forward to your client directly. Customizing the look with your agency's logo, brand color, and greeting message is configured in Report Settings. That is how to read the maintenance log and download your backups in WP Maintenance Manager.